Have you ever wondered how sunlight turns into a rainbow? Let me show you with something simple. Use a pencil and a glass of water. See? The pencil looks bent in the water. This bending of light is called refraction. Light bends because it slows down when it enters water. Now, let's make a rainbow appear. White light is actually made of many colors. Notice, violet bends the most, and red bends the least. That's how refraction creates rainbows. You can try this at home too. Science is beautiful. If you love science, follow along, like this video, and subscribe for more. Keep exploring. Goodbye.